it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on, but not for me. It is for Brian. So he's been doing Stitch Fix for how long?
Almost a year, not quite, but almost.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know it'd been that long.
Oh yeah.
And he's had a couple of boxes recently that were 5 out of 5, right?
Yeah.
And so I figured what we would do for this video is give you an idea of what Stitch Fix for men looks like. The products you get, not really products, but brands that you get, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah. The brands, and he's got a great stylist who does a really good job at listening. And so he's ended up spending quite a bit of money on Stitch Fix.
So I've had this stylist now for probably the last 4 or 5 boxes, I guess. I changed up. They do allow you to do that. So, you know, if you're not happy or if you communicated with your stylist a few times and they're not quite getting it or, you know, they're not understanding what you're looking for, you can change, you know, and say, hey, look, I want to try somebody new and see what they come up with. And, you know, so like I said, I've had this one for about 4 or 5 different boxes now. And
her name is Courtney, by the way.
Oh, yeah, Courtney. Yeah, so thank you, Courtney, at Stitch Fix. So I've probably kept, like Taren said, this is my second 5 out of 5 box, and they've both been with her, and I've probably kept at least 2, sometimes 3 items out of each one of the other boxes that I've had with her. So, and in the subsequent boxes, I've kept stuff out of almost every box.
With the exception of a few.
Yeah, maybe just 2 or 3 that I haven't in the last year. And I haven't kept anything, but...
And that could be, too, not because he didn't like it, but maybe because of fit or something like that.
Yeah, because realistically, it wasn't them, it was me. I was not aware, I didn't notice on the app that you can actually exchange for another size. I just didn't know that when I first started out, or else I probably would have kept more things because I did like the item, I liked the quality, I liked the style of the item. I just didn't know you could exchange it. That was my fault. But yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to step out and we're going to let Brian complete this video, show you what he got. We'll throw in side by side of what he's trying on, and then we'll come back. Why are you looking nervous?
Okay, she didn't say that earlier. She didn't tell me she was doing that.
Yeah, and then we'll come back and talk about what he got and what he liked and that kind of thing.
All right, so we're rolling. So I didn't really know I was doing this by myself. I don't normally do it. Taren's the star here, not me. So bear with me, okay? All right, so this is one of my 5 out of 5 boxes from Stitch Fix. Okay, this brand right here is Artistry in Motion. It is a solid pink Oxford shirt right here. I really like it. I know most guys don't like to wear pink, or I don't want to say most guys, but you know, it just depends on the person. I like pink. I like yellows and, you know, pastels and everything. I think in the summertime with a good pair of khaki shorts or something, I think they really look good. The quality of this shirt, it's a heavier cotton almost, but it feels like it's breathable. So I think it's going to be a good summer shirt. Maybe if on a windy day or something like that, you want to wear something with a little long sleeve, I think this is going to be a good shirt to wear on those days. Taren has mentioned in some other videos that I do have a lot of plaid shirts, okay? So I have requested more solid shirts, like the pink solid shirt. And so we'll see in the next box what I get, if I get some more solid print shirts. This shirt is made by Rye. It is also an extra large, okay? Just a plain old extra large, not a slim or, you know, anything like that. Fabric is a little thinner than the other one, more tight weave on this one. So I think it'll press really nice. I think it's gonna, you can either wear it casual or dressy. So depending on what you want to do. I don't know if you can tell online, but it's like between a pink and a salmon color. So I like it. Next one we have here is from Hawker Rye. Again, extra large. I'm a little bit bigger up top, so I do like a little bit of a extra large fit. Blue with pink and white check pattern or plaid pattern. This one actually fits a little bit slimmer. It's an extra large short, so this one would probably do better maybe untucked them tucked in with a pair of shorts or jeans or something like that. And again, this one, the fabric is a nice thin fabric, so you could press it real well, and I think it'll look really nice. And so, I mean, most of my shirts, my favorite color is blue, so I do like the blue shorts. I think this is the first pair of shorts that I've gotten, obviously going into summer. This is the first pair of shorts that I have got from Stitch Fix. They're made by Ezekiel. These are a 38, and depending on the fit, I wear anywhere from a 36 to a 40. I know it's a pretty wide range, but it just depends on the fit of the shorts. It may be hard to see here, but they are gray with a very fine white stripe, you know, going horizontal. I think they're nice. I really like them. I don't have any patterned shorts. All my shorts are solid color, so I was kind of surprised when I got these. And I said, okay, you know, I can do those. They'd be great with a t-shirt just like this, or, you know, maybe probably a solid colored button-up shirt, you know, pink, blue, red, whatever. So I'm excited about these. All right, so the last thing I got in my box was a pair of black shoes. Okay, they actually have a little bit of a, you know, pattern, or I'm not sure what you would call it, on the sole, but it gives it a little bit of more, you know, I don't know, style to it. These are original Penguin shoes, which I have had this brand shoe before. They are a great quality shoe. I wear a size 10. Hopefully you can see these. And you know, I have to wear a dressier shoe to work every day at my job. These are really, really comfortable shoes.
So that's a wrap on this video. Thanks for watching. You did a great job.
Thanks.
I'll leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. They have men's clothes, obviously, women's clothes, and they also have kids' clothes. Did you know that?
Yep, I did.
Oh, so if you're interested, check out that link in the description box. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
And we'll see y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.